Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a Tuesday morning. Look at this massive amount of cloud mist swirling around down here in the southern portions of the Gulf of Mexico. That is Hurricane Milton. It is heading right for central Florida. That is what it looks like on satellite imagery. This is a Category 4. Sustained winds, 155 miles per hour. They are gusting. They're gusting to 190 miles per hour. I want to show you the track of this. The main track that you're going to see in the bold red is the National Hurricane Center track. This is expected to strengthen to a Category 5. And as we zoom in, you can see where it's out in the central portion of the Gulf of Mexico. I've also got other lines laid on there. We call those the spaghetti plots. All the other forecast models that are going to follow that, again, we go by the National Hurricane Official Track, which is that big red bold line there. But watch what happens as this moves in, probably around midnight or so, not tonight, tomorrow night, Wednesday going into Thursday morning. It's going to make landfall somewhere up around Tampa. Some of the forecast models are taking that a little bit more of a southerly track, but that's the National Hurricane Center forecast. Maybe hitting as a Category 3, 125 mile per hour winds. Here's the problem. The wind speeds, the 10 to 15 foot storm surge on top of that, and then another 12 inches of rain. You can see the rainfall amounts here as we roll through the animation with this. Most of Florida is going to be under the gun with this. Some areas more than others as far as the rainfall is concerned. But look at that. Anything in yellow is going to be at least a foot or more of rain coupled with the wind and the storm surge. This is going to be detrimental to Florida, and my heart goes out to those folks down there. I hope that most people are going to evacuate that area because it's the storm surge and the flooding that usually kills most people. As we look at our live Doppler radar, and we've already lost 230 people from Hurricane Helene, and this one may be worse than that, folks. As we look at live Doppler radar, nothing going on. A few clouds coming down the pipe here from the north and west, and that is about it. We'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies today. Look at this, 28 degrees right now in Baldwin up there along the US 10 corridor. Her say is 30 degrees. We're 37 in Fremont, 51 in Whitehall with the wind off the lake there, 41 in Grand Rapids, 41 in Middleville, and we have some 30-degree temperatures along and south of the I-94 corridor. So it's chilly out there this morning. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy, pleasant today. Highs around 67 degrees with the wind turning westerly at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Things have calmed down on Lake Michigan. These are the Lake Michigan water temperatures. No beach hazard risk today, no small craft advisory. At their highest, waves will be about 1 to 3 feet with a northwest wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Comparatively speaking, folks, while it's a mess down there in the tropics and potentially for Florida here, there's nothing going on. We've got dry, quiet, uneventful weather continuing here for us. If you've got some projects to get done outside and you need a few days of dry weather, we've got it with some sunshine in there. Really a nice stretch of weather with high pressure and control here over most of this weekend. By Friday, we'll briefly pop into the low to mid 70s, it looks like by that time. So here are the numbers. 67 today, 67 for tomorrow. Our coldest morning temperature probably going to be in the low to mid 30s across the area. Wednesday night going into Thursday, that's our best frost potential there. 68 on Thursday. We're in the 70s on Friday. Next chance of rain showers coming in on Sunday with highs around 64. By the beginning of next week, we may drop into the 50s. That's weather. It's exactly 6:50. Here's traffic.